Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. So this video was supposed to be done in the shower, but I was creating a big old mess, so I decided to do it this way, but you know, you'll still get the idea of how I prep my hair for a protective style. So right now I am shampooing my hair. This is the third wash I'm doing on my hair, and the reason is because I had a whole lot of gel in my hair and I just really want to get rid of all that residue in my hair. So the shampoo that I'm using right now is the Kiwi Lemon Squeeze with lemongrass extract. It's a clarifying shampoo from VO5, and it definitely removes all the residue from your hair. So I just want to kind of, you know, free my scalp of any dirt and free my hair up of any buildup and product and all of that stuff, because I'm about to keep my hair in for a long period of time, and I just want to make sure that I'm starting off at a very clean state. So as you can see, I'm like not playing any games. I am trying to clear out my hair, trying to clear out all that dirt and debris and whatever gel you want to call it in my hair and in my scalp. Okay, so now I have washed the shampoo out of my hair, and I am preparing my hair right now to I'm going to be doing a DIY protein treatment on my hair. I do have a video on this protein treatment and what's in it, so I'll link it in the description box so you guys could check that video out. So right now I'm just preparing it in my hair. Since my hair isn't I didn't have a chance to detangle my hair, I'm not going to do it during this phase because that would just be disastrous. So right now I'm just making sure that I focus, I put the mask on the ends of my hair because that's what needs the most treatment. That's what I'm just going to do right now. I'm not worried about detangling my hair. I'm just going to focus the protein treatment on my ends, especially the front of my hair, because that's where I have the most, that's where the curls in the front of my hair are a lot looser from heat damage, because I used to wear a lot of middle parts. So, yeah. So, and then once I'm done, I'm just going to I'm going to cover my hair up with a bag, and then I'm going to keep the bag on for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. It's always good to do a protein treatment if you plan on doing a protective style, especially if you plan on keeping it in for a while, because you know, with the protein treatment, it gives your hair strength to endure the braiding process, and also if you're keeping it in for a long time, it allows your hair not to get so damaged from keeping your hair in for a long time. So I would always recommend doing a protein treatment. You know, it doesn't have to be like a real harsh protein treatment, oh sorry I don't know what that was. It doesn't have to be like a harsh protein treatment like, you know, the Afro-G protein treatment, but you could do like a light protein treatment, you know, before and after your protective style. Okay, so I have washed out my protein treatment, and when I washed out my protein treatment, I did use cold water. And as you can see right here, I am going through the detangling process. So as I apply conditioner to my hair, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair applying conditioner and detangling my hair. And the conditioner I'm using is the Garnier Fructis Triple Nourishing Conditioner. I'm not sure if this is a deep conditioner, but it needs to be. I think this conditioner is amazing. Like, this conditioner just gives my hair life. Like, it is amazing. Like, after I wash this conditioner out, my hair is super soft. My hair doesn't feel dry at all. Doesn't feel like it's been stripped of oils or anything like that. Like, it just feels amazing. And another thing I do is that I like to, once I put the bag on my head to cover up my hair after I finish detangle, I like to sleep with the conditioner in my hair overnight. And when I tell you, in the morning, my hair feels like butter. Like, it is amazing. Like, as you can see right now, like, my hair was very tangled, but as you can see in the video, like, my comb is guiding through my hair. Like, this conditioner is awesome. Like, I came across this conditioner like a few years ago. Like, I was reading a magazine and it was talking about this conditioner, and I picked it up one day, and I fell off and stopped using it for a while because I was trying other products, but I just went back to it, and I don't know why I ever left you alone, conditioner. But it is amazing. It has a lot of oils in it. It has what is it? Avocado oil in it, olive oil in it, almond oil in it. Like, it is a triple nourishing moisture conditioner. So I don't know if it's a triple moisturizing conditioner because it has 3 oils in it, but either way, it's amazing. I would suggest you guys check this out. So right now I'm just pinning up the twist up, and gonna cover my hair up with the bag to add just a little more to trap in that heat from your scalp, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm pretty much done on this day. I'm just going to put my bonnet on my head and then go to sleep. And I'm going to finish up my hair in the morning.
What we do here is go back.
So it is the next day, and I have washed out the conditioner and I have braided my hair down. And I do have a video on how I braid my hair down for my wigs. I don't know if this video is coming out before or after. They're going to come out around the same time. So yeah, so check out that video. So right now what I'm doing with my hair is I am spraying some like my green tea leave-in mixture. So it's green tea and aloe vera juice in the spray bottle, and I'm just spraying that on my hair. Green tea helps to reduce hair shedding. So since I'm going to be keeping my hair in this protective style, I don't want like a whole lot of my hair shedding a lot and getting matted and getting tangled in my hair. So that's going to help with that. And then so after I sprayed my hair down, I'm going to go ahead and add my leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner I'm using is by African Pride Olive Oil Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Leave-In Conditioner. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to put it all over my braids and especially my ends. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and add in my hair growth oil. I have a DIY video on that as well. If you want to check that out, I'll probably link that in the description box. And then I'm going to do the same thing, just going to put the oil all over my braids, in between my braids, on my ends. And yeah. And that's pretty much my protective style how I prep my hair for a protective style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions, or if you have any suggestions, you could leave all that down in the comment section. And I hope you guys thumbs up my video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you leave a comment and share this video with other people. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for taking the time out to click on it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I